Morning, kindergarten. Today our champion is Dusty. Hello, hello. All right, Dusty, which pointer would you like to use? The blue one. Okay, let's see. What day is it today? Oh, I see F. Friday, May. Let's see what number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It is May 15. How do we make a 15, Dusty? A 1 and a 5. Okay, everyone stand up to make the 1. Ready? Jump. And a 5 is like this. Short neck, belly fat. Mr. 5 wears a hat. All right. Dusty, we're gonna write it. Got a blue one, a blue marker. And you guys can write with your magic ear. Ready? First a 1, and now a 5. Ready? Short neck, belly fat, Mr. 5 wears a hat. All right, let's see how many friends are here today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Simba, why are you looking over there? And 11. Here, let's turn Simba around. There we go. Hi, Simba. All right, let's write an 11 on the board. Right, everybody stand up. Let's make our 11. Ready? Jump. And another one. Jump. And now we'll write it on the board. A 1 and a 1. Now let's see, how many days have we been doing distance learning? All right, we're gonna make a 28. We need a 2 and an 8. So let's make a 2 first with our magic ear. Ready? A candy cane and a shoe. And an 8, we're gonna start with an S, remember? Make an S, don't go straight. Back to the top, you made an 8. Now we'll write it on the board. A candy cane and a shoe makes a 2. And an 8, start with an S. Don't go straight, back to the top, you made an 8. All right, and Dusty is our champion today. Dusty, D. U. S. T. And the last sound is E. Dusty. I remember. That's a letter Y. Dusty. Good. All right, Dusty, let's read the message. Everybody at home, help us read. Friday, May 15, 2020. Good morning, kindergarten. There are 11 puppets here today. It is the 28th. I forgot again. Let's put the TH. The 28th day of distance learning, and Dusty is the champion of the day. Can you make a homemade marble run? Love, Mrs. B and Mrs. Dreyfus, happy face. Dusty, can you make a homemade marble run? I don't know. Well, how can we find out how to make a homemade marble run or a homemade marble maze? Where could we look for ideas? I know. We could look on Google. We could say how to make a homemade marble maze or homemade marble run. Yeah, we could do a Google search, or we could check on a video maybe. Yeah, we could check on YouTube. Maybe someone can help us type it in, and then we can make it. That's a great idea. So you guys have so many days, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, because Monday's a holiday, to work on trying to make a homemade marble run or marble maze. There's one idea on Seesaw, but there's so many ideas on the internet. If you just Google search it or look in YouTube, there's so many ideas, and maybe you guys can work together to make one. This is real engineering, really good problem solving and working together to figure out how to make a marble run through a maze or run through a course that you make. Hopefully you have lots of fun making it, and Mrs. B and Mrs. Dryfout and Dusty can't wait to see all of your great ideas. Yay! All right, have a great weekend, and we'll see you all on Tuesday. Goodbye. Goodbye.